Hello and welcome to Innovative Foods. Today we are making a delicious Indo-Chinese style snack, chili egg Manchurian. Let's get started. Take 2 boiled eggs and cut them into pieces. In a bowl, add 1 egg, 3 tablespoon flour, 2 tablespoon corn flour, half a teaspoon pepper powder, and half a teaspoon salt. Mix well. Dip the egg pieces in the batter and fry them in medium heated oil for 3 to 5 minutes until golden. Eggs are a great source of protein and keep you full longer. Always fry the egg pieces on medium heat to avoid burning the coating. Now heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger, 2 green chilies, and 2 tablespoon onion. Roast for 30 seconds. Add another 2 tablespoon onion and 2 tablespoon capsicum and cook for 1 minute. Now add 2 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, half a teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Capsicum and onion add fiber and vitamins to the dish. Using less oil makes this a healthier version of street-style Manchurian. Now take 1 food cup water, add 1 teaspoon corn flour. Mix with the water. Homemade sauce mix ensure no artificial preservatives. Cook for 30 seconds. Add vegetables like bell peppers for extra crunch and color. Finally, add 1/4 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon pepper powder. Adjust the sauces to make it more spicy, tangy, or sweet as you like. And toss in the fried eggs. Manchurian dishes were first created in India by Chinese restaurant in Kolkata. Mix well and your chili egg Manchurian is ready to serve. Chili egg Manchurian is a fusion of Indian spices and Chinese cooking style. It's one of the few Manchurian recipes that uses boiled egg instead of vegetable or chicken. This dish is now a popular street food in many Indian cities. Serve immediately for the best taste and crispiness. Your spicy and tangy chili egg Manchurian is ready. Crispy on the outside and juicy inside. A perfect treat for family and friends. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovative Foods for more unique fusion snacks. See you in the next recipe.